you definitely need to come here ka koloi. If not koloi, taxi, it's getting like a private taxi, Uber, Bolt, it's getting. I have a feeling I am so annoyed. There's no parking. Yo! I found parking at last. At least. Yeah, I want to be done. Like now. It is so hot today. Yeah. So I have to go. Kilodra copy ID. Can you guys believe it? Kilodra copy ID because Muchini mo Waterfall orobegile. So now I need to drive out and find a place where I can do copies of my ID. So let's go. But then I can say I played myself here because they do state that bring a copy of your ID after you reserve a date. Anyway, I wanna say I'm annoyed, but I'll be lying. Like today's just okay, not horrible, but a minute. Oh, ke boregile and like no, like ke boregile honestly. Ke mo petrol station, you know, I actually ID license I had to drive out, ke lo etsa di copy I get my thing, my ID, and then I can check petrol is gone, it's done, and I was like, let me just find the nearest petrol station. Ke tshela petrol. Ka fitla ko is it Sasol? I don't remember. Ke fitla ba ba offline. I'm like, ke first time ke utlwa go thwe go offline and then ha ba khone go tshela petrol. I'm like, what the hell? And then no, ke mo engine, ke mo bona really, I think, I'm not sure. And then after here I have to go back. It's a copy ID and then I'm only going back to renew my license. Oh guys, this day is so unnecessary honestly, but it's fine. I don't know if you can see my eyes, like I'm boiling, it's hot today. So where's my ID? Yeah, let's go. I don't even know where I am. I just know that I'm in Midrand. I'm somewhere in Midrand. Who's not the guy? It should be somewhere. There we go. Yeah. Can I please just make one copy of my ID? Coins. Coin. R2.60. Okay, can I leave on the dots? Oh. Yeah. Thank you. Next time at all. Thank you. I am back here, guys. I keep thinking of but it's pretty late because I got here at 12. I'm sure it's like 1:30 to 2 now. It's so loud here. I can see Deloitte.
This place, I'm always here. This is my Right, next door, payment.
Payment. Okay, thank you very much.
No problem.
Guys, my life today. This is the second time I'm leaving this building to go do something. So I need a temporary license. And right now I'm going to go take pictures somewhere, go starting. Now I need to drive out, directly where to go. So I need to drive out. Oh, it's a temporary. Yo, like I need a temporary license. Anyway, so I'm done taking the pictures. What a day. What is it that I didn't do this time? Can I just get home already? This is what you get if you don't plan your things properly. If you are not organized, this is exactly what you will get. I learned my lesson. Yo. So I just packed. This is the third time. Like, this is my third time here. Remember the first time I came, normally, and then I didn't have a copy of my ID, so I had to drive out. Went to Postnet, Joel saw that, and then I get a payment. I remember that shit. I need a temporary license for something. They need a license, you know. And then I had to drive out again for the second time. Now I'm back here for the third time. Let my security go gating, they know me. I spent my whole day here. Like, I spent the day here actually. They must just give me a job here, honestly. I know this place in and out now. Guys, I was sweating. Damn. Yes. Now I lost my mask. I keep the mask. I've been searching. I can't find my mask, guys. Oh wow. Oh, now I'm gonna cry. Oh Kiyo, I was gonna cry because I was searching and searching. I just found it. Kiyo, here's my mask. Oh, thank God. Yeah.
Not on the same slot.
Not on the same slot.
I mean, not today.
Not today. And then Baba fell.
So on the system,
Oh, so let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Le sharp my service on a sharp blind. More. I'm happy.
I'm working under pressure. I'm working under pressure.
I am finally done. Now I'm going to Fourways Mall. I'm rushing to go to Fourways Mall. It's 20 to 3 and my battery is on 10%. I was gonna be recording some more, but hey, I'm done. I'm done for good.
Okay, alright.
After 5 years.
After 5 years.
Yes.
Alright.
Bye bye.
Alright.
Alright. Finally. Bye. Yes. What a day. I am sweating. No. Fourways Mall. I'm going to Fourways Mall. So I got to Fourways Mall and I lost my Wi-Fi pocket router. What a day. Oh my goodness. It was so hot. At this time, I was just melting. To do something, obviously. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for spending this day with me. Basically, even if you're going to see this way later, but yeah, it was an eventful day, but this kept me sane. Recording honestly kept me sane. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching. Like and comment. Bye.